The other way.
So
Nobody better in the history.
Really impressed. I don't even know which one's her.
She said that she has eyes in the back of her head, and she just proved it again.
Into the arms of Bird. Bird will take. You bet. She's unconscious right now.
Brian, how about the fourth quarter of Sue Bird?
Trying to flag it down, it does. 2 to shoot. Bird heaves in and banks it in. Adding a little pizzazz to it. Sometimes you got to use the bank when you're looking to beat the clock.
Both teams look a little fatigued.
Bird, that no-look bounce, and Howard on the finish. Sue, long three from about 28 feet straight away. Why not? It's your night, Sue. How about
Look how
Sue?
deep
Look how
she is.
Deep. My goodness.
NBA range.
8 to shoot. Bird heaves. Truth. Putting on an all-time performance in this fourth quarter.
In these moments, like Washington has a little bit of nerves, and then the one player who doesn't is Ariel Atkins, their rookie.
No-look Bird to Howard for 2. Thought that was going down just by the way Tolliver's shooting today. Sue pull up for the record, and there it is! Sue Bird has surpassed Lauren Jackson as the all-time leading scorer in Seattle Storm history. Congratulations to the future Hall of Famer.
You know which way she wants to go as a defender. It's just not easy to stop it.
Sue Bird drops a dime in the basket of Natasha.
Nice and patient this possession.
Sue around a nice screen, sees Alicia inside.
Impact the game, and she was not only a great player out there on the floor, but she was a great teammate.
Always directing traffic, driving in. She's going to take it herself with the right hand and finger roll.
What's this? She's been passing that ball in the pick and roll all night. Just one of the game. It was just like that. Oh, look at that feed. That's what it's all about.
Bird buries it. Last lead was at 10 to 9. Oh, great feed from Sue Bird through traffic to Natasha Howard. Sue Bird, you are so good.
Time like this, then Sue Bird, and she goes right to the window. And Seattle take advantage. They're up 5-0. Here's Sue. Good no-look feed. Natasha Howard with the finish.
After starting 0 for 2 from the three-point line, Vivian's had hit 5 straight, and there's Stewart through the contact.
I bet you're right. Here's Stewie with it.
This is just her passing the ball.
Here's Bird on cue.
I couldn't tell.
They're all firing now.
Seattle has numbers. Sue Bird behind the back, a beautiful pass, and the lay-in.
Little Michigan
here.
style.
Yep.
These are down below the knee.
Sue for 6,000, and she's got it. Sue Bird becomes the 8th player in WNBA history to surpass the 6,000-point mark. Congratulations. Fantastic start. This for 6,000 points.
I mean, mine are always swishes. I would beat you in pig, but, you know. Your highlights are pretty... I don't know any words to describe it. Subscribe.